back to Liaga Trip. So today we're going camping.
Yay!
So we're gonna just get everything packed up and then we're gonna head into the car. Okay, so we just finished packing up, so now we're gonna wait until Mom comes. Nice quick update. So it's been about 30 minutes since I talked to you. It's 11 now, and everything is all packed into the car. And we do have a few other things, but it's gonna go into my mom's car. She's coming at 1, I believe. She has a few patients, but after that, then she's gonna come, and then we're gonna go. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. Hi, I just realized I'm wearing the same shirt from last year. It was purple, but that's kind of embarrassing.
In that shirt.
Okay. Okay guys, hi, I'm all sweaty, but we are all packed and ready to go. Boys, say hi. Hi. So this is where the boys are going. They have everything in there, and then this is where the girls are going. We already have all our stuff in there, and Mom's gonna be driving us.
Oh yes.
So we'll see you guys at the camp.
Long time.
We're all family. Yay, we're going.
Yeah!
Hey guys, so we got our food. So we just ended up getting our food. We got In-N-Out, and then Toa, oh yeah, there's Alma, but Toa got McDonald's. And the boys are in the other car, and this is the girls' car.
Yeah.
And so now we're just gonna go to the campsite, so yeah. Hi, so we just finished eating our food, and I spilled on myself.
You're a loser.
I know. Anyways,
Cheers, babe.
we're in like Lake Elsinore right now, so we're just following our father, and we should be there in like another hour and 15 minutes. So we'll see you later. Bye. We're here.
Woo! Sweetwater Summit Campground.
Okay, so my mom doesn't have a registration thing for her car,
But
so
I
if
might.
we can't get in, then that's
hope.
why. So this might be the end of the vlog, but it's okay. Goodbye.
We're not allowed.
There is the bathrooms and the playground.
Oh yay! Splash pad.
Yay! We're here! Yay!
Oh,
Say yay! Toa just decided to climb a tree.
Hello, I'm bored.
Oh my god! Oops. Now we're gonna be building the tent. Our tent is set up! Yay! Yay!
Two work, one supervise. Two work, one supervises.
It's a very important job.
You're back!
They're playing from catch at the football. Jack and Christy down low, and there's Rich and Janine over here. And we got our campsite over there. And other people are coming tomorrow. Here's our tree climbers. Here's a fun tree to climb.
So we already had our first incident. Toa fell off a tree, so that was fun. He got a big wound, but we won't show that to you. And then he got his thumb a little bit hurt. What do you want to say, Toa?
Yay.
Oh, okay. That's it.
So they're playing football now, and they're still doing their thing, how they plan, and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Yeah. Nice.
So we just finished football, and it was really fun. And first game, me and Fia won, and then the second game, Noah and Av won. So I think we're gonna play like 2 more games or 1 more game. I don't know how many games, but it's gonna be fun. Bye for now. So we're just relaxing.
We're gonna play it in probably a few minutes. Right now we're just relaxing.
Yeah.
We have nothing else to say, so bye. See you later.
Hey guys, so we just finished playing sports and now we're playing Uno.
Yay.
So yeah, it's super fun and we're with Noah and Alyssa. So yeah.
Okay, we're just cooking the hamburgers right now, and we're gonna cook them off soon. You know, they're getting really delicious.
And then we're gonna get some marshmallows. And he's climbing up in the tree. Yeah.
And we have the marshmallows with the X's on it for the marshmallow DJ.
Show it to his boss. That's right. Yeah, want me to do it?
And so, see you later once we're eating marshmallows.
Yeah.
See ya.
This child is evil. He picked up so many just to swap hands with me.
Because there's a card that says swap decks with the other player, and I picked up so many cards, and then I finally gave.
Oh.
And she had this many cards.
So wrong. Oh my gosh, that is not an equal trade.
It isn't my play.
Hey you, Mr. Monkey. What are you up to?
Eating chapter 1.
Oh yeah, fun tree to climb too.
I'm the boss.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, supervisor.
Do it, Noah.
Could you keep it from falling off? I see you. Yeah, car down. And it's going down, but it's stuck. Oh, there, it went down.
Look at the sunset, looks so pretty. Wow. So pretty. Hey guys, so I'm probably looking really scary right now, but we're playing hide and go seek. So we're just trying to find everyone. Oh, I'm sorry, this is really bad. Oh, there's Toa. We have to get him. Ava, Alyssa, and I are it. There's Noah. Alyssa got him.
I got him. I thought you were off.
You got him?
Where's my shoe?
Oh, he lost his shoe.
I thought
Oh wow. Okay, so we're gonna finish playing hide and seek. So they're just playing tag right now, and Ava just ran away. So I'm gonna go find her.
literally look like a ghost. Oh my gosh.
So it's after silent hour. It's like 10:30, and right now we just finished with tag and everything. So we're going to go to bed soon.
Oh, why are you Sadly.
Yeah. So it's
Sadly,
we're probably
some
gonna go
of
to
us
bed
will
soon.
get
I'll
bug
update you guys if anything happens. But for right now, we're going to go to bed. So we'll see you for day 2. The boys are getting ready to sleep, and they're going in. They're inside their tent.
Vlogging?
Yeah, so guys, we're playing Rummy, and Ava literally sucks because she's taking all of our cards.
It's only like the good cards too, and it's kind of like.
So yeah, we're playing Rummy.
Okay, hi guys. I know that you can't see me, but Fia literally has 2 cards left,
Can they see it?
and they are both. Get the lantern, please. They are both dun too. So I don't think that she's gonna be like winning or anything.
war.
Ava won. Adios. Hey guys, so this is the end of day 1. Ava and I are now in the tent, and we're so ready for bed. So we'll see you guys later and tomorrow for day 2. Hi.
We're just relaxing right now. It's so comfortable. Just like we're not gonna get up, so it really is really comfortable, huh? Lazy.
Hello everybody, welcome back to Liaga Trips. So today we are going camping. Camping.